Lesson number 12, Work We Do. Students will know about public places and the working areas of institutions. They will become familiar with the professionals and craftsmen of the village, along with understanding, knowing the team spirit, working methods of a family. Many facilities are prepared in our city or village for people. All people use them collectively. Therefore, they are known as public property. Public places like the Gram Panchayat, the Nagar Palika, the post office, the bank, the primary health center, the hospitals, the police station, the court, etc., provide various facilities to people. Many professional people live in our neighborhood, in a village or a city. These people are useful to us in various ways. Doctors, postmen, teachers, policemen, drivers, conductors, soldiers, etc. are our principal helpers. Apart from them, mechanics, sweepers, businessmen, porters, cobblers, carpenters, tailors, etc. are workmen connected with our daily life. The working areas of all these people are separate. What jobs does a policeman do? If there is a robbery, loot, fights, or accidents in the village or city, the police take necessary steps to ensure peace and order and to prevent and solve crime. Police do whatever is necessary to arrest the culprit and see that he or she is punished. How are banks useful to us? Banks are useful to us in the following ways. It takes care of our savings. The money is safe in the custody of the banks. If needed, the bank returns the money we have deposited in it. Banks give us interest on the money we deposited or saved. If needed, a bank gives us loans for business. A bank looks after our ornaments and valuables. A bank accepts checks for our light bills and telephone bills. Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different people. A woman is cleaning in front of the post office. A woman holding a bag is going towards the post office. The mason and his helpers are constructing the building. The traffic police is doing his duty at the crossroads. Nanu, the barber, has opened his shop and is ready to shave people. Two people are having tea at the tea stall. The traffic police is standing in the middle of the road and directing traffic. A cobbler is sitting on the footpath with tools for repairing, stitching footwear. A woman is sitting near the tea stall to sell flowers. Two children are entering the school. The other children are late for school, so they are running towards it. The driver is taking his car towards the crossroads. A woman is going with a camel cart that is fully loaded. Raiji and his daughter Mamta have a hand cart loaded with watermelons and they are passing in front of the school. One man is carrying luggage in a truck. A shopkeeper is waiting for customers. A doctor and a nurse are going towards the hospital. By living together in families, the feeling of helping each other is inculcated. The effect of this can be seen when the child goes to school. Due to togetherness learnt with the help of families, children mix easily with others in school. Thank you.